Hi everyone, this is my final chart analysis video on Thursday the 9th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets, and it's gold. And we've seen this upside break on gold. The dollar weakness continues to sort of unwind the gold sell-off that we had in throughout May, and we're now broken the downtrend. We've now retraced to 61.8% fib of that sell-off to 1263, 1264. Yes, today's overnight high is around 1266. So we have got this this sort of move that's continuing, continuing to unwind. You look at the fact that gold and silver underperformed markets throughout May, throughout that sell-off as the dollar strengthened. But now the dollar is weakening, the gold price and more specifically the silver price are actually strengthening and performing much stronger. Are tending to outperform, and that is interesting. So I think this run higher in gold, certainly if it breaks through 61.8% on a consistent basis, just marginally took it through there today, but just unwound slightly back to 1260 area. 1260 is sort of around where the old sort of range resistance starts to come in, but there certainly is sort of potential for I think sort of further upside actually in this move, because you've got further support, further resistance that comes in around 1280. You've got that 76.4% fib level, 1279, and 1282 are these sort of old highs, again from the range high. 1282.50, and then you had a series of sort of highs around that level through mid-May. So I think that could well be where we come back to if we sort of break up above that 61.8% fib level. But having broken through the downtrend as well, you're sort of continuing this positive outlook. You've got what I've sort of talked about in the morning report, which is a marginal sort of or a slight bull flag pattern. Let's just draw that through so it gives you an idea of how you derive that. You sort of had that bull run there, sort of measure that from there, trend it higher, and you've got, oops, sorry, wrong way, sort of towards upside break towards sort of 1272 area. So that is an element, sort of an initial sort of target you could gain from the breakout from yesterday's high, through that 1248 high. And I think that there is, as I said, further potential for upside in this move. So you've got a slight sort of consolidation in the move today, but I think little corrections are going to be bought into on gold. I think that the dollar is going to continue to weaken, and I think that gold is going to continue just to sort of pull higher within the range. I'm expecting this to be a continuation of the range. I don't necessarily think this is going to break out through 1303. I think that you're going to see another high sort of within this sort of resistance band between 1260 and possibly 1280 area. I don't necessarily think we're going to be breaking out through 1303, for example, but for now we're still pulling positive momentum. Stochastics, RSI, and MACD lines are all positively configured, and I think that you've got to be buying into dips. You've got the initial support at 1248 on the breakout, and you've got that, as I said, support on the breakout above 1248, and then the key support coming in now at 1234.50. So I wish you good luck in trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.